Hi, Manadal. Welcome to the differential equation session. So, in previous sessions, I discussed different types of differential equations of order 1 and degree 1. Okay, that is exact differential equation, linear, Bernoulli's differential equations. So, and some more types is homogeneous, variable separable methods, and reducible to exact differential equations. Some different categories are there. Okay, so in today's session, I'll give two differential equations. You just go and compare that to two differential equations. So just to see this one, first, right? So dy by dx plus y is equal to sine square x. Yes, of course, it is a differential equation. And you take one more differential equation. So that is dy by dx whole square plus dy by dx is equal to x. As what is the difference between these two differential equations? You see, this is the differential equation of order 1 and degree 1, and this is the differential equation of order 1 but degree 2. Okay, so till now we discussed only this type of differential equations, that is order is 1 and the degree is 1. So if the degree of the differential equation is more than 1 and its order is 1, so that is the first order higher degree, we call that differential equation as first order higher degree differential equations. So let us see how to solve that type of equations, first order higher degree differential equations. As differential equations of the first order higher degree is usually first order higher degree differential equation is in this form: a naught into p n p to the n plus a1 into p to the n minus 1 plus and so on an is equal to 0, where a naught, a1, an are constants. Here that p means, so that is the standard notation of dy by dx. We denote the dy by dx is p just for our convenience. Okay, and we call this the first order higher degree differential equation, general format of first order higher degree differential equation. Okay, so just to solve this type of equations, we categorize these differential equations as equation solvable for p, the equation solvable for x, equation solvable for y, and Clairaut's equation. ಸೊ ನಮಗೆ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಅದು ಯಾವ ಕೆಟಗರಿಗೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಸೊ ಅದ್ರ ಬೇಸಿಸ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಸೊ ನಾವು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಸಮ್ಟೈಮ್ಸ್ ಎನ್ ಈಕ್ವೇಶನ್ ಸಾಲ್ವಬಲ್ ಫಾರ್ ಪಿ ಮೇ ಬಿ ಎನ್ ಈಕ್ವೇಶನ್ ಸಾಲ್ವಬಲ್ ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಕೆಟಗರಿ, ಎರಡೂ ಕೆಟಗರಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ಬೋದು. ಸೊ ಮೆಥಡ್ ನೀವು ಯಾವ್ದು ಚೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ ಅದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಡಿಪೆಂಡ್, ನೀವು ಯಾವ್ದಾದ್ರು ಚೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಸೊ ಫಸ್ಟ್ okay, so we have the following methods of solving such equations. So solvable for p, solvable for x, solvable for y, and Clairaut's equation. Clairaut's equation ಒಂದು particular format ಇದೆ. So if the given differential equation is in that format, so then we say it is a Clairaut's equation. ಅದು explain ಅದು Clairaut's equations explain ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ ನಾನು ಅದು. Okay, I will discuss later. So first you see how that equation solvable for p is. So equation solvable for p ಹೇಗಿರುತ್ತೆ? So let the equation be f of xyz is equal to 0, is of degree n. Suppose the differential equation can be expressed in this format. Actually this is not f of xyz, this is f of xy p. It is a function of xy and p. F of xy p is equal to 0, is of degree n, and we factorize that like this, so as a linear factors. So hige factorize ಮಾಡಿ linear factor ಆಗಿ express ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗಿದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ, so then after we write this one as this is p minus f1 into p minus f2 into and so on, p minus fn is equal to 0. So then we write this p minus f1 is 0, p minus f2 is 0, and like that p minus fn is equal to 0. As of course it is a first order first degree differential equation. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇರೋದು ನಿಮಗೆ ಈ p minus f1 is equal to 0 ಅಂದ್ರೆ so it is a first order first degree differential equation. So you know that how to solve the first order first degree differential equations ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ ಅದು ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ. ಸೊ ಆ ಮೆಥಡ್ ನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಈ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಇಕ್ವೇಷನ್ಸ್ ನ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತೀವಿ. Similarly, we solve this one. We solve this one. So the solution of this equation is phi of xy c1 is 0, and solution of this factor is phi of xy c2 is equal to 0, and like that phi of xy cn is equal to 0. And finally, we write the general solution in this format. Phi of xy c1 into phi of xy c2 and so on phi of xy cn is equal to 0. So finally, you write the solution in this format. Okay, so now let us see, or you can write a c1 instead of c1 c2 cn, we can write c1, or just like just c1 you can write. Yes, you see one such equation. Okay, so it is solve p square minus 5p minus 6 is equal to 0. Okay, it is a function of p, purely it is a function of p. If it is a function of p, x and y, so then it belongs to equation solvable for p category. Equation solvable for p category ನಲ್ಲಿ ಇರಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಅದು ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ವೈ ಪಿ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು ಅಥವಾ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಪಿ ಮಾತ್ರ ಕೂಡ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು. ಓಕೆ, so you take that x to the power of 0 and y to the power of 0. P square minus 5p minus 6 is equal to 0. As in this equation, you write this equation first. It is p square minus 5p minus 6 is equal to 0. So here thing is this possible to express this one as a linear form of p? Linear form of p ನಲ್ಲಿ ಬರಿಬೋದಾ ಅಂದ್ರೆ, as we can write, we can factorize this one such that, so you take its factorization as minus 6p plus p. Now its sum is minus 5p. You can write minus 5p as minus 6p plus p minus 6 is equal to 0. You know the factorization of quadratic equation. As in this one, you take p is a common factor. P na common factor togoli, it is p minus 6. You take 1 is a common factor, it is p minus 6. This is equal to 0. Take p minus 6 is a common factor. This into p plus 1 is equal to 0. Yes, p minus 6 is equal to 0. You can write it is p minus 6 is equal to 0, and this is p plus 1 is equal to 0. As all of you know that what is p is, p means that is dy by dx. Okay, so if you write this p as dy by dx, so p under dy by dx, dy by dx minus 6 is equal to 0. So that is dy is equal to 6 dx. You can write 6 na ikade tagond bandre minus 6 becomes plus 6, and taking cross multiplication, so you can write it is dy is equal to 6 dx, and integrating this, integration of dy is equal to integration of 6 dx. Take its integration. Integration of dy is y is equal to 6 is the constant. Integration with respect to x is x plus c. And similarly, if you solve this p plus 1 is 0, p plus p means what is p? P means that is dy by dx. Dy by dx is equal to minus 1, or you can write dy is equal to minus dx. So integrating this, integration of dy, you can take this minus dx to left hand side, plus integration of dx is equal to c. So that is y plus x is equal to c. So therefore complete solution is, you can write it solution is, you can write it is y minus 6x minus c, and we can write this one is y plus x minus c is equal to 0. This is the complete solution of this equation. So this type of simple problems may ask for 2 marks. Let's see one more problem. You can write it is x into dy by dx whole square plus y minus x into dy by dx minus y is equal to 0. So in some problems they mention this dy by dx is p anta kottilla andre you can write it is p. Okay, so given equation can be written as x into p square plus y minus x into p minus y is equal to 0. Okay, so just to think how to write this in linear form of p. So linear factors ಆಗಿ linear factors in p ನಲ್ಲಿ express ಮಾಡೋದು ಹೇಗೆ ಅಂತ ಯೋಚನೆ ಮಾಡಿ. So it is y into p minus x into p minus y is equal to 0. Okay, so now you write it is x p square, take this minus xp here first, plus this is yp minus y is equal to 0. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಯೋಚನೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಹೇಗೆ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರೈಸ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು ಅಂತ. Okay, so now you take xp is a common factor. If you have xp comes outside, remaining is p minus 1 plus from these two you take y is a common factor, it is p minus 1 is equal to 0. Take p minus 1 is the common factor, p minus 1 into this is xp plus y is equal to 0. We have to solve these two equations. P minus 1 is equal to 0. This is p minus 1 is equal to 0. xp plus y is equal to, as p means again it is dy by dx, dy by dx is equal to, take this 1 to right hand side, so then dy is equal to dx. Integrating this, integration of dy is equal to integration of dx plus c. It is y is equal to x plus c, or you can write it is y minus x minus c is equal to 0. Again here you write it is x into dy by dx is equal to, take this the y to right hand side, then it becomes minus 1. Now we can solve this by using variable separable method. Andre you write the coefficient of dx is function of y, the coefficient of dy is function of y, coefficient of dx is function of x. Hege andre you write it is dy by y, take this y to left hand side, okay, which is equal to minus, take this dx cross multiplication by, take x here, integrating this, integration of dy by y plus integration of dx by x, ಇದು ಈ ಕಡೆ ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಮೈನಸ್ ಇರೋದು ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, is equal to constant, you take it is log c, or c you can take, no problem. Its integration is log y plus log x is equal to log c. Because I know we have log in left hand side, so cancel ಮಾಡಬಹುದು ಅಂತ log c ತಗೊಂಡೆ, ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೆಯಬಹುದು. So it is log of y yx or xy is equal to log c. In both the sides we can cancel log, so it is xy is equal to c, or you can write it c1 c2, no problem, or xy minus c is equal to 0. Okay, finally you write the complete solution. Complete solution is y minus x minus c into this is xy minus c is equal to 0. Okay, so like this we can solve a first order higher degree differential equations. Yes, it is a different one. It is of uh, degree 3, first order third degree differential equation. It is like this, p cube minus p into this is x square plus xy plus y square plus this is xy into x plus y is equal to 0. Okay, so now to solve this equation, you better assign some value to p. ಅಂದ್ರೆ by method of inspection ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. So we call it as method of inspection. You assign some value or variable to p. If it satisfies, so then so p, suppose if you take p is equal to some x. So if it satisfies that equation, p is equal to x ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ satisfy ಆಯ್ತು ಅಲ್ಲಿ equation ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ, so p is equal to x or p minus x is a one factor, or p is equal to x is a one root. ಸೊ ಇನ್ ರಿಮೈನಿಂಗ್ ಎರಡು ಅಥವಾ ಇನ್ನು ಎರಡು ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ಅದ್ರ ಬೇಸಿಸ್ ಮೇಲೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಬೈ ಇನ್ಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಷನ್, ಬೈ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಇನ್ಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಷನ್, ಸೊ y ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಹಾಕ್ಬೋದು. ಐ ಆಮ್ ಟೇಕಿಂಗ್ x. ಬೈ ಇನ್ಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಷನ್, so put p is equal to x here. Put p is equal to x. So when we put p is equal to x, what happens? It is symmetric about x and y. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನೀವು x ಮತ್ತೆ y ನ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಈಕ್ವೇಶನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. x ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ y ಬರೆದ್ರೆ y ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ x ಬರೆದ್ರೆ ಇಟ್ ಬಿಕಮ್ ಸೇಮ್. p is equal to x ಒನ್ ರೂಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಅಂದ್ರೆ p is equal to y ಕೂಡ ಒನ್ ರೂಟ್ ಆಗ್ಬೋದು. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ just check it for p is equal to x. Put p is equal to x. So then it is x cube minus x into x square plus xy plus y square, plus this is xy into x plus y is equal to 0. Okay, I don't know whether you check this. X cube minus x into x square is x cube minus x square y minus xy square, plus this is x square y plus and this is xy square is equal to 0. Minus xy square cancel with plus x square, plus x square y cancel with minus x square y, x cube cancel. So it satisfies the equation. Okay, so therefore p is equal to x or p minus x, p minus x is a factor, or p is equal to x is one root. Okay, root of this equation. Similarly, p minus y is also a factor. Okay, now we find two factors of this equation. Okay, p minus 1 and p minus x and p minus y, and we need to check one more. So because the it is of degree 3 ಇದೆ, so degree 3 ಇದೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ, ಸೊ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ರೂಟ್ ಸಿಕ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಸಿಕ್ತಾಗೆ ನಮಗೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಆರ್ ಅದರ್ವೈಸ್ ಯು ಟೇಕ್ ದ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದೀಸ್ ಟು. ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ ನಮಗೆ ಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದೆರಡು ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿ, ಈ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿರೋದನ್ನ ಇದರಿಂದ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಹೇಗೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯು ಟೇಕ್ p minus x into p minus y, p minus x into p minus y. Okay, which implies that p square minus yp minus xp plus xy. So what it implies? P square minus x plus y into p plus xy ಬರ್ತದೆ ಈ ಎರಡನ್ನು ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಈ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಇಂದ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಬೇಕಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಟು ಫೈಂಡ್ ದ ಅನದರ್ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಯು ಡಿವೈಡ್ ದಿಸ್ ಈಕ್ವೇಶನ್ ಬೈ ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ದಿಸ್. ಸೊ ಹೇಗೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ, so you have to divide p square minus x plus y plus p plus xy ಇಂದ ಏನನ್ನು ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? You have to divide p cube minus p into x square plus xy plus y square plus xy into x plus y ನ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ಟು ಡಿವೈಡ್ ದಿಸ್ ಹೇಗೆ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡೋದು? ಸೊ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಐ ವಾಂಟೆಡ್ ಟು ಗೆಟ್ ಪಿ ಕ್ಯೂಬ್ ಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಪಿ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ಗೆ ಏನ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಪಿ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ಗೆ ಪಿ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಟೇಕ್ ಪಿ ಇಂಟು ಪಿ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್, ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಪಿ ಕ್ಯೂಬ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದರ್, ಪುಟ್ ಮೈನಸ್. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪಿ ಇದೆ, ಪಿ ಇಂಟು ಪಿ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್. ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಪಿ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಇಂಟು ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ವೈ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪಿ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯು ರೈಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ 0 ಪಿ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್, ನೋ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ವೈ ಇಂಟು ಪಿ, ಪ್ಲಸ್ xy into p. Okay, take the subtraction, minus, this becomes plus, this becomes minus. P cube cancels. Okay, p square factor illa mele, so p square factor illa andre you assume that it is 0 p square. So hagadre illiro p square factor enirutte adu hage barutte. So that is minus of x, sorry, this is plus x plus y into p square. You keep that as it is. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ, ಇದು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಎರಡು ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಸೊ ಇದು ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ವೈ ಪಿ. ಸೊ ಯು ರೈಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಮೈನಸ್, ಅಂಡ್ if you take this operation here, ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅವಾಗ, if you take ps count factor minus ps count factor, so then it becomes xy plus xy ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅವಾಗ ಏನಾಯ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ this becomes minus p into, I'm taking p is a common factor, so this becomes x square plus xy plus xy to xy plus y square. Okay, and this last term minus xy, this is plus xy into x plus y, plus xy into x plus y as it is. Okay, in next step, to get x plus y into p square, we have to multiply p square with x plus y. So you take plus x plus y. X plus y into p square is x plus y p square minus, and x plus y into x plus y is x plus y whole square. X plus y whole square into p, again plus xy into x plus y, plus xy into x plus y. Okay, so next step, to take this is minus and this is plus and this is minus, these two cancels. Next, you see this is x plus y whole square, right? X square plus x 2xy plus y square is x plus y whole square, and this is also x plus y whole square into p. These are the negative ಇದೆ, plus ಇದೆ, you can cancel these two. Similarly, xy into x plus y cancel with xy into x plus y. Okay, so the another factor is p plus x plus y, p plus x plus y. So therefore another factor is p plus x plus y. So therefore given equation is so p minus x into p minus y into p plus x plus y is equal to 0. So now you can write this as p minus x is equal to 0. ಇದನ್ನ ಹೇಗೆ ಬರೆಯಬಹುದು ಅಂದ್ರೆ p minus x is equal to 0, one factor, p minus y is equal to 0, and this is p plus x plus y is equal to 0. So individually solve these three. The first time solving this, dy by dx, p means dy by dx is equal to, take this minus x to right hand side, it is plus x. Okay, so now dy is equal to x into dx. Integrating this, integration of dy is equal to integration of x dx plus c. It is y is equal to x square by 2 plus c, or it is y minus x square by 2 minus c is equal to 0. Similarly, ಇದನ್ನು solve ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ dy by dx is equal to y, ಅಥವಾ dy by y is equal to dx cross multiply ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ integrate ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ dy by y is equal to integration of dx plus c. Its integration is log y is equal to x plus c. Okay, you can write it is log y minus x minus c is equal to 0. ಅಥವಾ ಇದನ್ನ you can write it is y is equal to e to the power of x plus e to the power of c. Okay, like that also you can write, no problem. ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಹೇಗೆ ಅನುಕೂಲ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಹಾಗೆ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. So it is dy by dx. Is how to solve this? Any idea to solve this? Minus x. Yes, it is linear differential equation of first. It is linear differential equation. It is linear differential equation. So of the form dy by dx plus py is equal to q. A formula that here p means you don't mix that p with this p. EP ಅಂದ್ರೆ dy by dx, ಇಲ್ಲಿ dy by dx plus py is equal to q ಫಾರ್ಮೆಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೀತಿದ್ವಲ್ಲ ಅದು p ಇದು. Or write it is p dash is equal to what is the coefficient of y? Y ನ coefficient ಏನು 1 ಇದೆ, and you take it is q dash is equal to minus x. ಹೀಗೆ linear differential equation solve ಮಾಡೋದು ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ. integrating factor find out ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. integrating factor is if is equal to e to the power of integration of 1 dx. So that is e to the power of x. Solution ಬರೆಯೋಣ ಈಗ. So y into integrating factor is equal to integration of q is minus x into e to the power of x dx plus c. So that is y into e to the power of x is equal to ಈ ತರ ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಇಂಟಗ್ರೇಷನ್ ಹೇಗೆ ಮಾಡೋದು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ. ಮೈನಸ್ ಇದೆ ಹೊರಗೆ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ, and remaining is only x here. So first ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಿಲ್ಲಿ, have to write x first. X, okay, write x here. So it is x. Next minus differentiation of x is 1 plus c. Or this is, so both the terms x. So e to the power of x na common factor ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ e to the power of x into y, when it comes to left hand side it is plus x minus 1 minus c is equal to 0. So therefore the complete solution is y minus x square by 2 minus c into this is log y minus x minus c into, so this is e to the power of x into y plus x minus 1 minus c is equal to 0. Okay, so ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರೈಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಇದನ್ನ ನಿಮಗೆ ಡಿವಿಷನ್ ಡಿಫಿಕಲ್ಟಿ ಇತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ you can use the inspection method again. So ಹೇಗೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ in place of p you give x plus y, so then it satisfies this equation. But it is difficult to guess x plus y satisfying this equation, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕಷ್ಟ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So ಇಲ್ಲ ನಮಗೆ ಈಸಿ ಇದೆ ಅದು ನಾವು ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ, so it is your choice. By inspection method also you can find the another factor, so that is p minus x minus y. Okay, so then find out ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬಹುದು ನೀವು, p plus x plus y, p plus x plus y. Okay, but division ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ನೋಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕಿದೆ. Okay, ಈಸಿಯಾಗಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ಈ ತರದೆಲ್ಲ ಡಿವಿಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಈಸಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Otherwise you have to look into this one carefully. So after finding the factors, 3 factors, so we can easily solve the equations because all are first order first degree equations. So here thing is It's of degree 3. ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋ equation degree 3 ಇದ್ರೆ 3 factors ಬರುತ್ತೆ. degree 2 ಇದ್ರೆ 2 factors ಬರುತ್ತೆ, linear factors. Okay, so you should keep that in mind. degree 3 ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ 3 factors compulsory ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Okay, so I wanted to stop this class now. So again I continue some more problems of first order higher degree differential equation next coming classes. So just go and practice these problems. Thank you. If possible, you solve this equation. P square plus 2py cot x is equal to y square. Okay. Thank you.